Hello there, Mrs. Denning with another word list. I'm here with my friend Cove, and he's pretty cute, and he makes me smile. So I hope he makes you smile this week, each day when you go through your word list. So go ahead and get started with that first word, and we'll get started. Imagine. I imagine us back in our classroom all together. Sketches. I loved the artist's sketches of her new work. Research. The doctors are doing a lot of research to get a vaccine for the new virus. Textures. The artist used a lot of really cool textures in her new art piece. Sincere. The child was sincere in her apology when she realized she hurt her friend's feelings. Inspired. My friend inspired me to do more exercise. Managed. I managed to walk 3 miles yesterday. Reunion. I hope to go to my high school reunion next year. Loaded. I loaded all the groceries in the trunk of my car. Currently. We are currently doing all of our lessons at home. Loveliest. That is the loveliest flower I have ever seen. Pleasure. It is my pleasure to be your teacher. Conversations. We've had a lot of really great conversations talking about all sorts of things in Mrs. Yost's class. Echoes. There were lots of echoes we could hear as we stood and talked in the deep canyon. Terror. The teacher screamed in terror as the spider landed on her head. Eek, that would be scary, right? All right, that's the end of our word list, and I hope that you made it through wonderfully, and I hope that this guy Cove made you smile, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Take care now. Bye-bye.